Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this shimmery blue halo eye makeup. Trust me, this will be the showstopper of the event. So let's get started. Taking this shade Mood with this pointed brush, starting off by applying the shade on my crease area and making it more defined. Adding color gradually. I love how well this palette pigments and shades are. By the way, the palette is from BPERFECT Cosmetics STACIE Merry Carnival Pro Palette. This brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking the shade Make Waves, applying on my crease and slightly blending it as well. You can see I'm blending the shade so close to my crease. Same on the other eye. Taking this shade Basic, now blending the shade a little bit far from my crease. By this method, you will get all color visible. Same on the other eye. Again, taking shade Make Waves, enhancing the shade more. Same on the other eye. This brush is from a drugstore and this concealer is from LA Pro in shade Ivory. Now, with the help of this concealer, here I am drawing a semicircle kind of shape and blending the concealer. This shimmer dust is from Christine Cosmetics in the shade number 166 and apply on that area where I applied concealer before. Again, taking this brush from Morphe brushes and shade Mood, blending my inner and outer V of my eye. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. I'm taking this shade Pink Me, applying it to the center to get some more light. Taking this mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, they are real, applying on my lashes. Taking this Florma blue pencil, applying on my lower lash line. taking this brush from BH Cosmetics and shade Mood, smoking out my lower lash line. Now taking this NYX jumbo pencil in shade Milk, applying on my waterline. This brush is from Morphe brushes and taking this shade Peppermint, applying to the inner corner of my eye. So this is the complete look. I hope you all like it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.